We'll guide you through how to refund an Apple App Store purchase. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I'm doing this on an iPhone, but you can follow along on other devices. I'm keeping this guide broad so you can go and follow along. So perhaps you accidentally purchased something you want to try getting a refund for, or is something else. We're going to guide you through how you can try doing this. It's important to note you should do this as soon as possible after the purchase has gone through. I haven't done it for older things. I've only done it for when it's happened recently because I realized that, I made the mistake quite quickly. So you don't have to do this, but I just want to go and show you what I want to try getting the refund for. So I'm going to open up the App Store. You can press your profile icon in the top right, go down and press purchase history. And I want to try getting it for this here. Now, what you need to do is go and open up a web browser. In this case, I want an iPhone, so I'll use Safari, but you could use Chrome or another one depending upon the device you're using. In the web browser, you need to find the address bar. On an iPhone, it's usually at the bottom, but in general, it's going to be at the top. You want to go and type in a web address, which is report-a-problem.apple.com. Like so. Then you can go to it, press enter or go. Now here you're going to be prompted to go and sign in. I already am signed in. If you go and use an iPhone, you can actually go and sign in through it because it's already set up on your iPhone. It's really easy. You can go and use Face ID. Otherwise, you need to enter in your email or phone and your password to go and get access. Now you can go and scroll down and you can go and see what you're trying to get the refund for. Then we can scroll back up here. And you need to choose what you want help with. So press I would like to, and you can set request a refund. Then you can press tell us more. And in my case, I want to go and press I did not mean to buy this. There are different reasons there, but that's what applies to me. Then you can press next. Now you can go down the list and you can decide what you want to try getting the refund for. I'll press next. Then it says refund decisions take 24 to 48 hours. So I'll press next. And it then says Apple will review the refund request. It may be approved or denied. So make sure you just understand this here and read through it. I'm going to press submit. And now you can press the status of claims and you'll need to go and wait. If it goes and gets approved, then you'll go and get a refund and the money will go back to the original payment method and that'll automatically go through. You won't need to go and do anything. So hopefully that's the case and you'll then be able to go and get your money back. And that's it. Of course, you can come back here and go and check the status. Otherwise, you can hopefully just go and wait. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides like this. We post videos every single day, so I'm sure we'll be able to go and help you out again in the future with more useful guides. If you have any suggestions, feel free to go and put them down below.